Hey, this is what association means. When you come and associate, you must be clear, no? Correct? Not
Yes,
just
Prabhu.
you
Yes, sir.
that sabta and then crying. Oh, everybody crying. They like this crying business. BD.
Yeah, yeah.
After as soon as it home is smoking. What is the use of Ganesh BD? You know, the Ganesh,
Yes, sir.
BD is done. But they put Ganesh inside. So Ganesh BD, you know, something spiritual. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Rubbish. So we must be able to help people like that. That's why Prabhupada, he has come. We have to follow. We don't try to change. Everybody will say, I'm Prabhupada disciple and do so many nonsense. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Prabhupada disciple is Prabhupada disciple. But I'm also Prabhupada disciple. Why nobody care for me? Because I'm telling in the face, no, you are a rascal and nonsense. They don't like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Understand? Not?
This is the right thing, but they don't. Yeah, right thing. Very less people will like to.
Nobody will like.
Because
Saying, what Prabhupada said.
yeah,
They want to go out and speak like a big man, show the Kap Sapta, learn two verses and show the whole world they're a big pandit. Huh? You follow?
yes,
Right?
sir.
You know anything.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Nothing. That's all I can say. And how you can know? Because the weeds are growing in your heart, no? Correct? Yes, that's now we read, no?
Definitely, sir.
What?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely. Yes, sir.
What is that? Jiva Him, Pratishta, Labha.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? So how you can grow spiritually? Therefore, we have to be very careful. We have to be very careful. Correct? Yes.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, sir.
Don't get fooled.
Actually, actually, Prabhu, there is another way also. I mean, there is another reason the people are misleading is they are not following the proper. I mean, the Bhagavatam, as it is. I mean, Prabhupada books. They are
बंद कर दे
following
लगी
different
और पांटा दे
books.
भरता है
Not only that, they always like to talk stories. Understand?
Right, Prabhu.
The whole idea of captivating the crowd is talk stories from here and talk stories from there. Huh? Right? You can go to this verse, huh?
Yes.
119, I think. You can read this 22:119, I think, Madhya.
चालू कर लो ना चालू कर लो ना चालू कर दीजिए ठीक है कंटिन्यू
No, no.
हेलो
118, 22:118.
हटा कर दियो एडी कर दियो कर छोड़ो मैं मिले जाए भरो 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 भरो
12th item is to give up the company of non-devotee. One should not accept an unlimited number of disciples. One should not partially study many scriptures just to be able to give reference and expand the explanation.
Good point.
For accepting an unlimited number of disciples is risky for one who is not a preacher. According to Srilaji Bhagavad, to accept many disciples to expand the cult of Krishna. This is risky because when spiritual master accepted disciple, he naturally accepted disciples' sinful activities and
ওই যে বন্ধ করে দেবে।
powerfully cannot assimilate all these sinful reactions disciple and has to suffer the consequences. Therefore, one is generally forbidden to accept many disciples. One should not partially study a book just to pose as a great scholar by being able to refer to the scriptures. In our Krishna consciousness movement, we have therefore limited our study of literature to Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, Chaitanya, Samrita Sindhu. These four words are sufficient for preaching purposes. They are adequate for understanding the philosophy and the spreading of missionary activities all over the world. One studies a particular book, he must do so thoroughly. That is the principle. By thoroughly studying a limited number of books, one can understand the philosophy.
So here you can see, correct? No, they want to speak, Gaudiya Math, especially they like to take books from here and books from here and books from here, correct?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes or no? Amrita is in Oriya language?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oriya language, no?
Yeah, it is. All the books has been translated into Oriya.
And I think we should have a PDF thing or something they can see in
Only
Oriya.
they don't have any PDF format. But
Oh.
all the hard copies, they are every books of Prabhupada.
How to take the hard copy? We are speaking in the net, no? We need soft copy. no?
Yeah, difficult is to get the PDF one.
And somebody scan all these books, the Oriya book into PDF format so we can read in English. I think all of you read Oriya, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Everyone.
I think it's very important. If somebody can sponsor, we can make a like this format that we have in English now, correct? Program, you can put all Prabhupada books, Prabhupada tape, Prabhupada all inside in Oriya language. Huh?
No, I don't think it's, the Prabhupada books is a lot of work now because here it is already there in English, but Odia PDF format is not there. English it is easy because we have PDF format. Odia there is no in PDF format. So to get the PDF format for all the books, very
A computer engineer, he's computer engineer, he's computer engineer. All three computer engineers, you cannot do this small software.
Yeah.
Program, big company.
I think Hindi also not there. Hindi is there, Prabhu?
no.
I think
Only
Hindi is better.
Hindi translation.
All Oriya men read Hindi also, no?
Yeah, can, but Hindi translate.
Don't say yeah.
Can understand.
Odia men cannot understand Hindi.
Listen,
Can understand, but cannot read and write and know. Understanding is okay.
Partially understanding. That partial understanding.
just that if you can all do something about this problem, there'll be a very big service to humanity.
Oh, yes, Prabhu.
Huh? Why don't you find some computer programmer and you can write this software like Pocket Veda like that and put all this in Oriya language or Bengali language or Hindi language.
But Prabhu, as it is to convert it in Odia is, it's a bit difficult. What exactly is mentioned in book and
What is
exactly.
hard copy is already there. You have to scan it only now.
Hard copy there already. Scan it. All the books need to be scanned properly and convert into PDF.
You have you scan it and from there you can choose all this.
Yeah.
You're writing big of program completely more complex than this. What is that you cannot do?
Yes, Prabhu.
Tell me. In India, there's so many guys waiting for job. Why don't you give him this job? Huh? Most That's 1 lakh rupees, that's all, nothing much more.
That's right.
Okay, maximum 2 lakhs. Like that. Why don't you do? Huh? What do you think? I tell you, so many people phone and watching pornography. At least they will read this Gita at least. Huh? Very soon we're going to bring out ours, our own, what is that? Pocket Veda, our own one, from the original books.
Original books already there in the market also, but it is not in apps. It is there in the website.
Ours is already coming out in apps now.
Yeah, because apps it is all this thing not original. Some of them original, but some of them is changed books. Yeah.
Ours is completely no change book. Very soon we'll be launching already. So why don't you do this in Oriya or Hindi or Bengali, please?
English, the content is there. The content English is easy to do actually. The content's already available. All PDF file is there.
No, but why don't you do now? Why you all don't do? Just
One initiative we can take.
find
Mr.
one.
Murthu.
No,
Yes.
you to first of all file scan PDF, all PDF file. Then if they put in app,
At least Bhagavad Gita. At least Bhagavad Gita you can start.
no. It's like a Vedic library where all the things are together and make a app.
Mm.
Why don't
Okay.
one guy will scan, will put inside everything? Why don't you ask him if you want to do this job?
You should ask anyone. You ask now. Last time I told you to scan from Srimad Bhagavatam Prabhu to refer Prabhu classes in Oriya.
Guy at the scanner all. He's staying in some village in Balasore. What scanner all he can get?
No, there then Baleswar is city na.
Hey, Balasore got no power also, bro.
Okay.
Maybe Saroj can do what? He's a computer man. Why don't you do? Huh?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Yeah. That initiative I'll take, Prabhu.
You do this now. Do this big thing. Correct.
Yes, Prabhu.
Pocket Veda or
Mm.
the Oriya. Start. And then after that you can do Bengali and then Hindi. I think better do Hindi. Yeah?
Yes, Prabhu.
Then and then you don't have money, don't worry, you won't get it.
No, start.
You will find the sponsor for this. Right?
Yes, Prabhu.
Now you have job now or not?
Yes, I have
You're working now already. Yeah.
3 years.
Oh, you're working, huh?
Yeah.
I'm sure you can find India got so many guys, program writers, correct?
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
why don't you do this project? You take up this project now. Huh? Both of you help lah. Can you help him? All of you?
Yeah, the content. First of all, all the books you have to get into PDF. All this Bhagavad Gita, CC, Nectar of Devotion, all this. Without content, they can no programmer can do anything.
I mean, how long to scan? At least you start no scanning the Bhagavad Gita and the Bhagavatam, right? That one will take somebody clock, some small clock, he can do already one, right? Yeah? Scanning what you need one IIT. Yeah.
And you have to not only that, you have to find out all original books.
Original or no original, you just get some book going, Prabhu. Now don't worry about the original or every book is original actually. Understand?
Yeah.
Let's first get the project going first. Understand now? Hmm?
Yeah.
Can you do? Hmm?
check Soros will check it how they are doing that, how they, you can talk with the PDF, with how the developer that what kind of content they need, like a PDF, and you have to go to that PDF shops or, to check that these are the books we have and I want to convert to PDF contents. So all the things they check, the preliminary checking is important.
I want to make it PDF. I want to make it like the pocket data that I can scroll and I can click and check out the books.
The
Oh,
PDF actually won't work. PDF we have already.
PDF will not work that way, Prabhu.
No, PDF cannot do it. That one is
But PDF we need to take out all the boxes and fit into that.
just you scan. No, you can scan into Word is easier than it scan into PDF.
Yes, yes.
You scan, you find one and
Because if you scan,
uh,
it stays as an image and then you take it as a PDF format. So
you just
yeah.
scan it
So,
format. You can use that soft copy to the. I'm not a big computer man, but this simple thing I can understand. No, huh?
Say the name.
If you go to the website, you can see there are so many websites, Path of Bhakti and Prabhupada Nugav, and also they have like original books and all PDF format is there. So English, all English content. So we should have like a Odia content, then we can put into the app.
Can you do that, Saroj?
Yes, Prabhu. I'll check. I'll check on it, Prabhu.
Very good. We try to get this big service done. No,
Yes, Prabhu.
it's very convenient because now I'm speaking in English. You see, only you 4 people are coming. Understand? The others don't
Correct.
understand
Correct.
English language now.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes.
Yes.
This you have the Oriya background, they can read and they can understand. Just like now I'm giving class in Russian and giving class in Chinese and giving class in Norway, what is Hungary and all. They just show the translation into like the screen. Huh? They show the Oriya thing or the English, the Hungarian or Russian
Oh my God.
and the words and
Oh
then
my God. So nice.
ah. So if I can do for all this,
Yeah, so nice.
you cannot do for the original country. This is India. Somehow India.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
I know China looking down on India. Why? China is so much advanced in computer. Correct?
What Indians are doing, nobody knows. All China is doing everything.
How to do programming and they went back to China. Now they made programs and they're selling to India. TikTok, WeChat, so many software, correct?
Yeah. Now all banned in India now.
Now banned, now banned. So now Indians, you know what to do? Cannot play games anymore. PUBG, what is that?
No,
UVG.
they are creating their own
Their own version of TikTok.
version of TikTok.
Made in India. So now you do this also, made in India. Original.
Yeah. One subnet has come
Uh,
like that only. PUBG.
uh,
Uh, There something come, but not yet popular in India. That new app has come. I know instead of TikTok.
so now you please do this. This is the best TikTok service.
Yes, yes, bro, yes. Bro.
TikTok,
Russia, China, everybody can do. Why not Odia? Yeah.
why not? Simple thing. Why don't you do this as Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say, Prithvi te aache grass, huh? What is that? Bharat the Bhumi,
Yeah, Nagara Degra.
Janma Sarthaka, Kari para upakar. Correct?
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Yes.
And you please do this program. I'm telling you, send it and just, yeah, I mean, how long you will take now? The most 2 weeks to a month. Correct?
No, it will take more.
Mm.
Yeah?
It will take more time. First of all,
Never mind.
first to develop a software can take more time. PDF, okay. PDF they can.
Yes.
scan it. Multiple PDF we have shop is there.
Scanning the PDF, the programmer can write the program.
Programmer will take time. These are not easy formatting.
Babu, we just converted all this into English only took 1 month, Yeah. Okay, never mind. It will take some time. I agree. At least let us start somewhere, no? Yes,
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
so our preaching will be so dynamic. Let us move ahead in this preaching with this software. Huh? Can you try? At least, as you say, put the Bhagavad Gita first.
Yeah. Bhagavad Gita first put if it is coming properly then.
What do you all say?
We start in a web portal first, web link, then put it to app. Or how?
Who can scan now? Scan is very important. Who can scan?
Website putting in there. First of all, you get that PDF version, put it in a nice format in the website.
No. First, you get somebody to scan the book.
Yeah. First of all, scan the book, then get it a computer readable format. Then the developer will do. They know what to do. They know what the developer know what to do. They are doing it.
So, Saurabh, you can do this?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Huh?
I'll
Start
check on
with
it, Prabhu. I'll check.
Bhagavad Gita. You start with one Bhagavad Gita starts. You do the Bhagavad Gita putting properly and in the website only. Then later on, if it is good, then we can other books and then app.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this. Next week, we have to have the Bhagavad Gita again.
Bhagavad
Yeah,
Gita
so
first because it is very small. It is 700 verses is there. Well,
Next
Bhagavatam is
week,
1000.
we will do by Bhagavad Gita. Can? Saurabh?
Yes, Prabhu. Prabhu, I'm just, I mean, searching in internet whether there is existing one is
Not
there. I mean,
existing.
that
We
is there
already
any?
thought. We already.
We already sir, not
We
there
already.
actually.
no, yeah.
Okay,
Prema
okay.
Chaitanya, I think Prema Chaitanya Prabhu can also help.
We already.
Saroj Prabhu and Prem Chaitanya
There
Prabhu.
is nothing in even some other languages like Telugu and all also is very difficult to get. Hindi also sometimes difficult. We somehow find out some not all the books. So there's no way unless we scan.
You try to scan it and put it up. Huh? 700 pages to scan is not so long time.
Okay, Prabhu.
Huh? So you try next week, we'll experiment. Huh? And then you get a developer and then
Okay.
you compile everything up. Can?
Yes.
Otherwise, it's difficult to.
Yes. I mean,
I'm not very pleased with this.
scanning is
I am
yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. I mean, I
all over the world and they are having this thing. I don't see why you Indian cannot have, it's very expensive. Huh?
That's true. That's true.
Chinese are
That's
having
true, Prabhu.
books. Chinese people. You are Indian, Prabhu, don't even have one Bhagavad Gita inside. What is that? Huh? Somehow it is coming from which country? China? Huh? Where is it coming from? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was sitting in your place, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, you try, huh? Work on this project, okay?
Yes. Yes, Prabhu.
Okay.
Questions? Hare Krishna. Nobody, everybody is
Yes.
quiet. All right then.
Prabhu, just one thing. I mean,
Hmm.
Prabhu, just one question.
Hmm.
Uh, I mean, here in Odisha, I saw. I mean, most of the people they are following Bhagavatam. I mean, different author. So they are not following the Prabhupada one. So how to I mean redirect them to follow? I mean, what we have to explain, how to explain them so that they will they will follow the Bhagavatam as it is, and I mean Prabhupada books. I mean they are quietly okay with different author. I mean they are good with different author Bhagavatam. So if we explain to them that this is not the proper author, I mean the Bhagavatam which you are following is not the proper author, so you have to follow the I mean Prabhupada one, but still they are not I mean enough uh, I mean they are not agree to follow the Prabhupada books. So how to I mean guided them to follow the Prabhupada books. And
First explain that whatever you read must come from an authorized sampradaya.
okay,
Understand? Ye sampradaya vina te mantra nispala mataha. If you're, if you're not linked to the sampradaya, your mantra is useless. Understand?
okay,
Only four authorized sampradaya.
okay,
The Brahma Madhva Sampradaya, Brahma Gaudiya Madhva Sampradaya. You have the Sri Sampradaya, Ramanuja. You have the Nimbakacharya Sampradaya, that is the four Kumaras. Then you have the Shiva Sampradaya, Vishnu Swami. Okay. So if
okay,
you are reading books from any of these Sampradaya, then it's all right. You have no objection. But you're
okay,
reading from somewhere, something all, then it is no use. And therefore, you have to take our Bhagavad Gita and you have to show our line for Prabhupada, how Prabhupada is coming in authorized Sampradaya. You open
okay,
Bhagavad Gita, Prabhupada write all the Acharya's name, no?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Show them. And then you must explain later that if you read properly, then you will give up. Three things you will get. You will get bhakti, you will get anubhava, and you will get virakti. Bhakti means devotion. Huh?
yep,
Anubhava means realization. And then
okay,
virakti, you will give up sinful
Renunciation.
coffee, tea, onion, garlic, all nonsense you will give up. If you read Bhagavata,
okay,
you must become purified. If you are reading and not getting purified, then something's wrong somewhere.
that's right,
I can buy an expensive light and put on my ceiling, but if I don't connect, what is the use? Yes?
yes,
Understand?
yes,
So this way you must explain. You read, yeah, I don't mind you read, but you are not changing, then something is wrong.
that's right,
Srimad Bhagavatam was spoken to Sukadev, I'm sorry, Parichit Maharaj, so that he asked this question. I want to know what to do, especially someone who is going to die. Yes?
yes,
Yeah.
At the time of that, you are still confused you how to go back, then what is the use of you reading? Any use? Huh?
right, right,
Yes or not? You ask him,
yes,
you reading Bhagavatam, who is God? That's simple question, who is God? They don't know, then what is the use of you reading Bhagavatam? Correct?
right, right,
Huh? And then eating fish.
yes,
After reading Bhagavatam, you can eat fish. Huh? What is the use of you reading Bhagavatam? Correct? All Oriya
right,
have this big problem, Oriya and Bengali, correct? Yes? That's why they like to read this other Bhagavatam. Why? They say it is Ganga Prasad. They can take. Hmm? So you must be able to preach to them and explain. Correct? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
What do you say? Huh? Anyone want to add something more? Huh? What is it? Huh? You must explain and convince them, huh?
Because Odisha, the Bhagavatam, which is popular, every householder, and this
Jagannath.
is written by the Jagannath Das, who is claimed to be a disciple of Srila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Odisha school of Vaishnavism, that time also is a contemporary of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism. During Chaitanya Mahaprabhu presence in Orissa, he made a headquarter in Orissa. So
Hmm.
many people do not know this Orissa school of Vaishnavism, where there are also the disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they have written also Odia Bhagavat, translated into Odia Bhagavata, the teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the way the Bhagavatam. So therefore, it is very, very popular actually in the Bhagavatam, very, very popular. Therefore, all these people they read this Odia Bhagavat by Jagannath Das. It is rendered in Oriya language, and people and any other books has not been rendered in Oriya language. So simple way that anybody can understand it. Therefore, it has been popular since so many years actually. I mean, because 500 years actually.
That's why I'm saying if you can put Prabhupada book in the app, it will immediately become more popular. Because all Oriya men having phone. Yes?
Everybody having smartphone. So
App,
yeah.
quickly write this program and put inside. Can they read Prabhupada's book? Correct?
Mm.
Yes? Yes or not? And
Yes,
then
Prabhu.
Prabhupada book, the heart will change. Correct? And this Oriya, I don't know this man, I don't know where is his lineage. He claims from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I don't know. I'm not there. You understand? If you guys are there, you should know whether his lineage is right or wrong. I don't know.
Gaudiya
Correct?
Vaishnava, they say that this lineage has been deviated from the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But they claim that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself say that you are the Ati Badi, they given, they are all five disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which has been very prominent in Orissa school of Vaishnavism.
I don't deny that, Prabhu. There may be or not may be, but today, the one who actually is inspiring everybody is Prabhupada.
Yeah, that is the best thing.
So why don't you take the current link?
Yeah, but particularly educated mass people, they will attract Prabhupada. Yeah.
I think if you preach, people will understand.
Yeah.
Ah, correct?
Even
Yeah,
that
right, Prabhu.
also, they are not nowadays totally not reading. Either this author, that author, totally reading is that
Now if I read Bhakti Vinod, Bhakti Siddhanta is headquarters in Puri only, no?
yeah, I born in Puri.
If I try to read his book, I won't understand, Prabhu.
Yeah, yeah,
So we must go to the current link, no?
yeah,
Yes?
yeah.
The current link, who is current link?
Prabhupada.
Yeah? So you must preach like that. When you're reading this Bhagavatam, yeah, I don't mind you read it. Why didn't you also read this one and see?
Yeah,
Correct?
Right,
Yes?
Prabhu.
Hmm? You must be able to explain this because you are reading and your life is changing. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
And you still eating fish. Then what is the use of reading this book?
the problem is that they have not reaching out these people for Bhagavad. I mean Odisha, because they have no idea that there is another author, another Bhagavatam.
Now these people are sentimentally just like they all worship Jagannath, and then they say he's Nirakar. Correct?
No, they Nirakara concept is not complete Nirakara. They are Akara Nirakara. because they worship at the same time the Lord, at the same time they also say that is Nirakara.
Yeah, they worship him, but ultimately is Nirakara. What is
So they are like that Akara Nirakara, about 50-50% they have like it. Not like complete Mayavadi is totally.
Prabhu, even a little bit of Mayavadam is enough.
They have already inserted the Mayavadi is already there in the Orissa school of Vaishnavism.
Deviate from pure devotion.
Yeah,
It's usually covered by this karma and jnana.
yeah,
Understand? The moment you deviate from pure devotional service, immediately jnana and karma will come inside.
yeah,
Understand? That's why anya bilasita sunyam jnana karma anavritam. Cannot have any trace of jnana and karma. Understand? Anand? But this is because Prabhupada is the savior of the world, period.
yeah,
In our duty, see, you were Oriya man, you came all the way from Orissa to Singapore. Only now only you change, in Singapore. Why? You changed why in Orissa? Huh? Tell me. What? Yeah, Jagannath Puri is what? 1 kilometer away from your house. Why didn't you become a
yeah.
Tell me. Why? Because you don't have that Sangha of Prabhupada, Prabhu.
Connection was not
That's
there.
right.
Correct.
That's right. That's right.
This is what I'm telling you. Prabhupada Sangha you need. Yes. Yes or not?
Yeah,
Right, bro. Right.
Prabhupada to
Yes.
others. He said, Bhagavatam you have. I say, very good. You keep your Bhagavatam, no problem. But why don't you read this one small book? Prabhupada a small book, right?
yeah,
I give you one small book. You read one small book also. Big book you get. This small book you can also read. Correct? And you see,
Yes.
you do not. One line, Prabhupada said. One line you read enough.
yeah,
Yes?
Yes.
Yes or not? So you must be bold enough to preach. That's the whole idea. And you cannot be bold if you don't practice. Apani achar bhakti shikam sabar. Correct?
अपने आचार्य से भक्ति सिखाए करो.
Correct? If you don't practice, then how you can preach? That's not possible. Yes, Prabhupada has
Right.
come to save the world. Correct? Yes or not?
Yes.
Right? All your life changed because of your connection to Prabhupada. Yes?
yeah.
Right.
So why not you give now this Prabhupada to the others? Yeah. Yes. You cannot touch this nose this way. Leave him go this way and touch me. Something you think now how to get them. Hmm? I think this app is very important. I am very convinced about it. Because everybody like to read from the phone now.
Yes,
Yeah?
bro. I'll try. I'll try to. Find out how to do it.
Correct.
Let
Everybody
me do R&D on this.
in the phone, you see how much it will work. Yeah? And
Right.
then preach, we can preach very boldly. I am very, see now in London, I just had a class last week, to tell you my example. London and New Zealand. Only I had one class last week. And the guy is saying they never seen anybody, one question they're asking and they're showing one verse from the class. They never seen anybody. Yeah? New Zealand, the second class I had on Tuesday. More people are coming on because they never saw this kind of references and so on. Understand? Our strength is to show them Prabhupada. Just like today, I can speak and speak, but when I showed all these verses, wasn't it very convincing to you?
Yes.
Huh? Yes or not?
Authoritative.
Yes.
How much we learn by reading what Prabhupada wrote there. Correct? Isn't it?
Yes, Prabhu.
How much more people will learn if we show them this thing? Yes?
Yes.
Tell you honestly, nobody is reading anything, baby. Nobody is reading. All watching nonsense. Correct? Like now,
Yes.
you sit here and I'm showing. How many of you read CC? Tell me honestly, how many of you read the Chaitanya Charitamrita? How many? One
Not
percent
complete, not completely, Prabhu.
complete. You both never seen the book, also, I think. Huh? Yes? They see by showing you all these verses here and there, how much you are getting realization. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Prabhu.
Huh? So how much people will benefit if we show this thing to them? Yes? And they will read along. They will read the Gita along or the Bhagavatam, whatever, and they will become very purified. I think this project must be done immediately. And I tell you how much you can preach. And all the people will come to you. They'll immediately see, I'm making advancement, I'm understanding Gita better. I am convinced Prabhupada wrote these books day and night. That is his contribution. For what? He wrote the books for what? For selling. Huh? For what? Selling.
To preach others.
Hmm. And now we are in the 2020. Right. Yeah, before Prabhupada was stressing book distribution, I still don't deny that. But now it has come to a different level. Information is going on a different level. Yes?
Right.
Correct? How many of you write letters and send by post, Prabhu? Tell me. How many? Huh? Nobody's post anymore. No. Correct? You send telegram, you send telegraph, you do what? Nobody do now. Correct? Yes or not?
Yes.
Oh, let us think. Let us do something. At least we start today, even 5 year, 10 year, whatever, we will have everything. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
Hmm? I think you should do it like immediately. That they say what the GBC don't want what the BBT don't want this book to be put into the computer. They're rascal nonsense. They say if you put inside the computer, then nobody will buy the book. This is rubbish.
Yeah, then another the copyright issue also.
Why we worry about copyright, bro? You do it, no. Let them sue you. You got no money. If you sue them and you got no money, what's the use of suing the guy? You want to sue him also. You have to know whether he's qualified to pay, right? Correct? And once you have done in software, you will go in so many people's hands. You're going to catch. Tell me. You tell me.
They will sue in millions.
Let them sue in me. Nothing. Okay, you sue me. Correct? Right. We'll put under one poor guy's name and send it to finish. We put in our Murali's name. We got nothing to go. Every month is. Might want to come to Orissa, Balasur and take what from your house. Some kitchen Tupperware. Huh? What?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
We don't care, Prabhu. You go ahead and do this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After you do, and they immediately will come and do many more things. They'll do all this. This is how it's done.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Because they don't want to preach anymore, Prabhu. They are finished. They have closed shop in their preaching. The preaching, as Prabhupada said, unless you enlighten, you can preach, no. If you are not enlightened, what you can preach? Correct?
Right.
Huh? You tell me what preaching they are doing. They're simply sitting and talking stories. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So I suggest you do this immediately. Do the Bhagavad Gita first, and then the what? Bhagavatam, and then the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Nectar Devotion. Of course, then the other book, and what? Brahmasam, what is that?
Nectar of instruction is open.
It's
Okay.
Upanishad.
These are Ishopanisha, all easy to do. Let us try first the Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, sir.
Babu, can you look into it? Get some software. One side look at the programmer. One person find somebody who can scan the book. The scanning book is very easy. You can give to anybody. I'm sure you got so many Oriya people, correct?
Yes.
Hmm? Scanning is also cheap now. The scanning device is also cheap. We have it here also in the temple here. No more use. We can lend it to you to use also. I don't know.
They did, you just now I was showing this, sharing this books, their website. They did it in Hindi also. They did it in some regional language. Before the Bhaktivedanta, they stopped it. They did it actually.
So they have done something. We can continue from there.
They have done it actually. It is still there. Their copy is there. I mean, their coding is there. Everything is there. Only thing that they have been restricted by ISKCON to Bhaktivedanta BBT to publish.
Can you
Otherwise, yeah.
can you give the copy?
Yeah, I have seen it. In Hindi, it was there. I've seen all these things, whole Bhagavatam, like English, we see today a lot of verses. Hindi, it was there. But they stopped actually. After some time, they stopped actually.
So we can get a copy of that. That'd be very nice. Huh? You find out. Yeah, you all do this homework. Let's see how to get this job first.
Yeah, you can show the reference even. They can start with a free phrase also. You can, because they have done means it is easy actually. Yeah.
I think it would be very beneficial. So let's see you do something, huh? You all are much
Yes,
more,
Prabhu.
what do you say, well placed in this profession and this project rather than me. You all are more, I would say, qualified and experienced. Let's see how to do this job for Prabhupada. Then I think in Murali you can find somebody there, can scanning, correct? You can go
Yes, sir.
get
Actually, best place is like Saroj Prabhupada, Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar, there the books are there also there, available, and this PDF, everything is there, scanner.
Yeah, yeah. Scanner is that part is, I mean, bit okay to do it,
Not
but
only that, there are developer
next
also
part
there.
is how to. Yeah.
find a developer, see how to work this out, right?
Yeah.
If you want to know the candidate, there's Mahaprabhu. He has contact of Tattvavid, all have one contact of one developer. You can probably use them also.
Mm-hmm.
Just have to pay them some
Okay,
money.
Prabhu.
Okay.
Actually, I have a contact with this Bhakti Vedanta, the author. He only told me that we stopped, we because the BBT stopped him to publish. I asked that day. You told me na why it is not there. I asked him. He's in Facebook. They have Facebook also, Bhakti Vedanta Facebook. So he told that ISKCON, sorry, he stopped me. I mean, publish in other regional languages.
Don't go to him and say, then problem will happen. No, understand?
Yeah,
Don't talk to him. You talk to others.
yeah,
There's so many developers are there now. Okay. Huh? Now COVID problem now, so many people are out of job also.
yeah.
Can easily ask them to do this small project. Okay. All right. Anything else? Thank you very much for giving me a chance. Somebody. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I guess I will take leave from all of your kind souls. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to be associating with you. We try to talk to our Divakar and see how we can get the Zoom also going. Huh? Really?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday only I spoke to him.
Hmm.
Yeah, he is also. I'll tell him how to do. Yeah.
Do you think this session is important? Do you like this session?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Very nice.
The session is good for the internal devotees, They can learn a lot, yeah.
No, but it's good also for outsiders. We got the program, we can just show. Understand? Yeah, everywhere it can be done, no problem. So, of course, you're doing this area direct teaching, I have no objection to that. It's good if you got the software. I've seen the effect of it in other countries in India. I don't know Russian language, I don't know Norwegian, Hungarian language, I don't know. But just by showing the voices, they also become very inspired. Understand? I suggest you work on this openly and see how we can get this done. All right. So thank you again, huh? All glad to all of you. All glad to Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.